Hi, in this video, I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to do a screen recording using Canva. So let's get started. Just real quick, I want to let you know that I have Canva Pro right now, but this can work either with Canva Pro or the free account. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and select what kind of um, format you want to use. I typically use video, so I go ahead and click on video, but you can use other formats as well, such as Instagram or Facebook. And then from here, you go to uploads, and originally they just only had upload media where you would just upload videos that you already had downloaded. But now if you go ahead and look on Canva, you would have record yourself. So you would go ahead and click on that. Now you have options. If you're using multiple screens like I am, you would have different options. I'm using two different screens, one laptop and one external monitor. So I'm going to use the first one right here. You can also use other options that are available or windows. Right? You can select different windows and Brave tabs, but I'm just going to use the entire screen and select the first monitor. I'll click on share, and then you're going to have this icon right here, and you also have this prompt right here. It says change your settings. You can change your layout, microphone, and camera in the header. All right, click on got it. And then you have several options right here. So you can use the camera to record yourself. You can use the camera and screen. All right, so this is basically like the talking head, or you can just use the screen like I'm doing right now. Since I'm a bit shy, I'm just going to use the screen right here, and I use the default microphone. All right, and once you're ready, let's see. This is the settings. You basically click on record. It'll have a countdown timer, and then it'll start recording. So I'll just speak a couple of things, maybe go into this setting right here, and then from here, once I'm done recording, I just go click on done. All right, and then from here, you can save and exit. All right, all right, let me get out
And
of
then it'll
this.
start
Sorry.
recording. So I
Uh, I got a little survey they want me to do. Let me let me get out of this somehow. All right, so from here you basically have your recording or your screen recording, and you can just use it like any kind of video, and that's the convenient thing. So what I'm trying to say is that with Canva Pro, or even just with regular Canva, you're getting a lot of uses out of it. You can use it as not only to create wonderful thumbnails if you're using Canva Pro, that's very convenient with stock photos, stock images, stock videos, and really amazing templates. But if you're using this now, you can also use it for getting you can use it to record your screen. If you're using screencasting software, you don't have to pay extra for that. You got it inbuilt into Canva Pro or Canva Free. So that's why I would recommend anyone who's considering upgrading to go ahead and do it, because it's definitely worth their money. All right, so once you're done, you can just do it. You can do it like any other kind of video. You can also crop it too. So let's see. Let me let me show you how to crop it real quick. So within here, you can crop the timeline. All right. You can make it shorter. You can edit out certain mistakes that you made. All right, just by dragging it, the beginning and end scenes right here. If you made a mistake, you can delete it. You can flip it. There's a whole bunch of things you can do. So all in all, this this screen capture is quite amazing. Now, the only thing I would say is that as of right now, it is only for the Chrome version um, on the website. It might go out to the mobile version later on, but as of right now, it's only for the Chrome version. It might change later on, but all in all, I highly recommend this using this screen recorder. It's bare bones. It's not like super advanced, but it's on the contrary, it's very easy to use. And on top of that, it makes amazing amazing thumbnails. Let me just show you a few of them. All right, let me show you a few that I've made in the past. This is just me. This is me showing you what exactly I do. All right, it's not me preaching somewhere. I actually use this to make my own thumbnails. So for those of you who are wondering how do I do it, here it is using Canva Pro. Why don't I use the free tool? I did use it for many years, but the thing is, it's restricted. So if you go to templates, let me show you. How about I just go to YouTube templates, YouTube thumbnails. All right, and the reason why I upgraded is it doesn't cost that much. And if you go into the thumbnails, you see all these little things with the crown. That's restricted to Pro, and they look amazing. They are really, really amazing. And on top of that, if you click on it and you want to customize this template, a lot of the images are also under the Pro feature. And now, yeah, you can argue that you can upload free images and you can bypass that and do it for free, but at the same time, that's a lot of time. I mean, if you're making a lot of videos and you're serious about it, why not just pay the fee and save yourself a lot of time? So that's just me. And my take on everything. You can do. You're free to do whatever works for you. I'm not trying to tell you what to do. All in all, though, I recommend using the screen capture feature if you already have a Canva free account or a Canva Pro account. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, could you please hit the like button? I'm Vince from Digital Nomad Institute. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.